You are watching RP Squad's YouTube channel. This video is a comparative study of uh, of wastewater management in Ladakh and Karnataka. A comparative study. Both Karnataka and Ladakh have some form of waste treatment in place. However, there are some key differences. Karnataka has a more centralized system of sewage treatment plant, while Ladakh relies more on traditional methods such as dry compost toilets. Ew. Karnataka also has a more developed system of public toilets, while Ladakh does not. Karnataka uses wastewater for irrigation, while Ladakh does not. Wastewater management in Karnataka and Ladakh presents distinct challenges due to their geographical, climatic, and demographic differences. Here's a comparative study. Number 1. Geographic and climatic factors. Karnataka, located in the southern part of India, Karnataka has a tropical climate with high rainfall in some regions. This results in a significant volume of wastewater generated mainly from urban areas and industries. Situated in the northernmost part of India, Ladakh has a cold desert climate with minimal rainfall. Wastewater generation is comparatively lower due to its arid environment. Number 2. Population and urbanization. Karnataka. It is one of India's most urbanized states with a growing population leading to increased urban wastewater. Major cities like Bengaluru face challenges in treating and managing sewage efficiently. Ladakh. Ladakh has a sparse population primarily in small towns and villages. Wastewater is primarily from domestic sources and urbanization is relatively limited. Number 3. Wastewater infrastructure. Karnataka. The state has a network of sewage treatment plants (STPs) and sewerage systems in urban areas. However, many smaller towns and rural areas lack proper wastewater infrastructure. Ladakh. Due to its low population density, Ladakh has limited wastewater treatment infrastructure. In rural areas, traditional systems like pit latrines are common. Number 4. Water scarcity and reuse. Karnataka. Water scarcity is a concern in some regions of Karnataka. Efforts are made to treat and reuse wastewater for non-potable purposes like irrigation. Ladakh. Ladakh faces acute water scarcity, and reusing wastewater is essential for agriculture and other purposes. Traditional methods like grey water recycling are prevalent. Number 5. Environmental considerations. Karnataka. Pollution of rivers and water bodies is a concern in some industrial areas. The state government has initiated measures to control industrial pollution and improve water quality. Ladakh. Environmental preservation is a priority in Ladakh given its fragile ecosystem. Wastewater management focuses on minimizing environmental impact. Number 6. Challenges. Karnataka. Rapid urbanization, industrialization, and a large population pose challenges in managing wastewater effectively. Infrastructure development are regulatory enforcement are crucial. Ladakh. Limited water resources, extreme climate conditions, and remoteness create challenges in implementing a wastewater management solutions. Sustainable and cost-effective technologies are needed. In summary, wastewater management in Karnataka and Ladakh differs significantly due to their geographic and climatic and demographic disparities. Karnataka deals with higher wastewater volumes primarily from urban and industrial sources, while Ladakh's focus is on conserving limited water resources in a harsh desert environment. Both both regions need tailored solutions to address their unique challenges. Now let's come to the impact of Swachh Bharat Mission on wastewater management. The Swachh Bharat Mission SBM has had different impacts on wastewater management in Karnataka and Ladakh due to their distinct geographical and demographic characteristics. First, number one, impact in Karnataka. First, improved sanitation. Number one, impact in Karnataka. Improved sanitation infrastructure. That is first one. In Karnataka, SBM led to the construction of millions of toilets, reducing open defecation and improving domestic wastewater management in both urban and rural areas. Second, urban wastewater infrastructure. SBM contributed to the development and expansion of urban wastewater infrastructure, including sewerage systems and sewage treatment plants in cities like Bengaluru. Third, behavioral change. SBM's focus on behavioral change encouraged responsible wastewater management practices, reducing contamination of water bodies with human waste. Fourth, water pollution reduction. The mission has contributed to a reduction in water pollution levels in some areas of Karnataka, enhancing the overall water quality. Fifth, public health benefits. Improved sanitation and wastewater management have led to better public health outcomes, reducing waterborne diseases in the state. Next, impact in Ladakh. Number two, impact in Ladakh. First, limited urbanization. Ladakh's sparse population or limited urbanization meant that SBM's focus was primarily on rural sanitation and wastewater management. Second, community toilets. SBM encouraged the construction of community and public toilets in Ladakh's rural areas, contributing to improved sanitation practices. Third, water resource conservation. Due to Ladakh's acute water scarcity, SBM's impact on wastewater management is closely tied to water resource conservation. It emphasized the need for responsible water use, including wastewater recycling for agriculture. Fourth, awareness. The mission raised awareness about the importance of conserving water and minimizing wastewater generation in Ladakh's unique environment. Now, in summary, while the Swachh Bharat mission has improved sanitation and wastewater management practices in both Karnataka and Ladakh, the specific impacts vary based on the region's geographical and demographic differences. Karnataka benefited from improved urban infrastructure and reduced water pollution, while Ladakh's focus was on rural sanitation and water resource conservation due to its arid climate and limited urbanization.